I got a new GoPro and I'm shooting from that. Later in the night I'm checking out my trainer's new car. Tagline for this car would be muscle car for the muscle boy. This is the first time I'm sitting in a...
Shall I switch this on?
Yes, please. Ignition. Let him go by. Yo, alive back there, I guess.
Yeah.
Fully. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when you're watching this. Welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to a rainy day. I don't know how much of it is visible on the camera, but slight drizzle. And if you haven't seen the previous vlog, this is being shot very bad driving. Indicators, always use indicators to move left and right here. Anyway, if you haven't seen the last video, I got a new GoPro and I'm shooting from that. Man, rain shouldn't be the first day for the Hero 10. Yeah, I don't want it to be damaged on the first day. Please, rain should stop so that I can even enjoy this bike. It's cleaned so well. Pura chain loop sab ho gaya, and now it's gonna get dirty. Anyway, barish mein GoPro, someday it had to happen anyway, so that's okay. But you should let me know. Now I'm able to shoot 4K 60 FPS instead of 2.7K 60 FPS that I used to shoot. I wanted to shoot 4K, but then it was allowing only 30 FPS in the previous one, and there was no wide angle, super wide angle available. It was just basic wide angle. So that's why I used to shoot in 2.7K, because I always want to shoot at the highest resolution possible, because even after 20-30 years when I watched my videos, I want to enjoy them in a good resolution. I don't know what resolution we'll have by then, but still, if we have an option to shoot in higher resolution, why not? So the bike service bill is around 10,917, pretty good. With Ducati, the biggest service bill would be around 30,000 kilometers when they do the Desmo service. I think then the bill would be around 80,000-90,000, but after that the bike would feel brand new. I mean, 11,000 roughly is expected for big bikes. BMW, Triumph, Ducati, all these have similar price range, so no complaints about that. Service is done by Taufik, he is really good, but a lot of things need to improve at the showroom sales level though. They couldn't give me a bill immediately, they were short-staffed. That's common here. The pop. Need to fuel up. Range is 17. Probably 1.5 liter left. After every service, just be careful with the tires, brakes, because there could be a polish, there could be slight cleaning solutions. So it won't be the most smoothest of experiences. So just be cautious on the brakes. That's the only precaution I'll give, especially in rains, because these days the roads are very slippery. Day is quite packed in the evening. Subeh it was sort of free, but after dropping the bike at home, need to come play badminton session with Shriman, Shiva. Wanted to go to the gym, but no time there. It's already 4:45. 6 o'clock is the badminton session, so I better go early. Later in the night I'm checking out my trainer's new car. Yes, he got a new car, not the BMW that we went and checked in the showroom, but something else. He is not telling me the brand or the model. He wants me to be surprised. I'm thinking it's an M2, but let's see. Chalo, as you can see, nothing much to show besides traffic, so we'll probably catch you guys later in the day. Got a packed day ahead. It's raining. I don't know how much of it is visible in the camera, but there's a rainproof camera, so it can handle slightly. I was talking about my trainer Arun taking a new car delivery, right? It already happened. I couldn't go because I was tied up elsewhere. But man, so excited to see the car in person. It's right in front of me. We got a... Should I show you? So the tagline for this car would be muscle car for the muscle boy. Mr. Muscle Man, yeah. Congratulations, officially on the camera.
Thank you so much. That too, I chose for it to be taking the delivery today.
Yes. But lovely color. Red is my favorite color always, and looks good here. So that's Arun. You've seen him many times already. That's Supriya, Arun's wife. Hardcore fitness enthusiast. Small way to describe, I guess. This is the first time I'm sitting in a Mustang. I've been in US, but Never have.
So even Chai was telling me that even he's never sat. I have to actually give him a drive tomorrow as well.
Oh, interesting fact. He trains Chai and few other celebrities that I can't tell here probably.
No, that's okay. You can tell. That's not a problem.
Okay, because they haven't posted it yet. But some of my favorite celebrities in Hyderabad and also outside.
Shall I switch this on?
Yes, please. Ignition. Let's give them some specs. So this is what, a V8 with...
It's a 5-liter V8. I think makes about 421 horsepower from what I remember.
Okay.
Yep, it's got all the bells and whistles. It's got
ventilated seats. Not even in the highest of... You don't get it in GLS also. I think.
And then you get it here. You got your driving modes, you got your steering modes, traction control, all the jazz. It doesn't have the finesse of the German cars.
You don't need...
But it definitely has, you know, a lot going for it.
I like the gear lever. It looks so nice.
I love the red instrument cluster.
Oh, sweet.
That looks nice.
Oh, that was only a short stretch. So we got ambient lighting. Connect your phones here. I think.
Yeah, you got Apple CarPlay.
Oh,
everything.
cool.
Not wireless as you get in the new cars.
That's okay.
But you got
wireless
all of that.
is buggy, by the way, and it's taking speed breakers with ease. At least the ones here in this stretch. So this has a custom exhaust, right?
Yes, it's got a Berlo exhaust.
I think we can go straight once the signal is done.
Stock rims. It's running on Michelin PS4 S's.
Okay.
I think it used to come with Pirelli P0s. It's got anything and everything that you could ask for.
Yeah, anything else is aside. This has ventilated seats and heated seats.
That actually was
That is surprising. BMW, Mercedes, Audi, they don't give you that even in their most premium of luxury cars. So irritating here. Kia does that at what?
So that's track mode,
Okay.
gearbox. Okay. I'm gonna left foot on the brake, right foot on the accelerator.
Let him go by. Yo, alive back there, I guess.
Yes.
Fully.
It did fishtail a little bit.
Yes, with the traction on. Imagine if you turn all the electronics off and do it.
Yeah, that was not fully off.
Oh, I don't want to in this rain. Man, I don't want to be that kind of a video where we get viral for different reasons. But damn, man, it does have... I mean, it's very linear. It doesn't give you those... It doesn't want to snap your head off, but it just gives you that linear acceleration, still very thrilling.
Okay,
That-
you guys want to do that one more time?
Yes.
Okay. These tires grip, man, even though the gears are spinning.
Do you smell some tire? Oh boy. So, did you enjoy that small stretch?
Oh yeah, exhilarating.
Accelerating and exhilarating. Arun, good job, you're getting this car. It's unique. There's a lot of character to this car, and I'm sure it suits you more than anything. The thing with bikes and cars is it needs to suit the person who drives or rides it. And I
Yeah.
think this gets well with your character.
I get sick of people constantly saying, you know, this doesn't suit your size, that doesn't suit my size.
Now they don't.
My wife doesn't suit my size. I'm like, now let me see what you have to say about this.
As I said, muscle car for the muscle man. That ends the topic. That oral pleasure that you get just listening to that exhaust note. Oh man. That's your previous car. This is your current one. Big jump.
2 liters to 5 liters.
5-liter V8 engine, man. It roars. It properly roars. This would do a track day more than our bikes. Right
Yeah,
here.
now I'm tempted to take it
Oh,
to
tell
MMRT.
to Chai, I'm sure he'll arrange for a track session. Not at MMRT, this needs BIC.
Yeah.
Man, it's so brutal to come from a 5-liter V8 to an EV. All that you hear is those wiper blades go loud. In fact, these wiper blades are so strong when you park the car, and if it's at full speed, the car moves. Crazy, but forget about this car. Yeah, like it's so strange to come from a 5-liter V8 with that exhaust note to an EV which is so silent. Brutal. But love that car. Yeah, that was my first Mustang experience ever. I never sat in one. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Thank you again for giving me a first drive, and see you soon on the car regularly because we need more such rides. Chalo. Well, it's raining heavily and it's almost 12:15 in the night, so we'll head home.